Today we're in for a treat. I'm about to make these very easy Swedish meatballs with peas, mash and pickled cucumbers. At the end of the video I'll also share a couple of tips with you on how to make them absolutely bulletproof for the pickiest eaters. So let's get started. Finely slice the cucumber. Place the cucumber in a colander, sprinkle it with a generous pinch of salt. Now finely chop the dill. Combine the dill, sugar and white balsamic vinegar in a small bowl and set aside. Place the panko breadcrumbs in a large bowl with the cooking cream. Then peel and grate the shallots. Add the beef mince, shallots, Dijon mustard, soy sauce and garlic powder to the bowl. Then with clean hands, knead the mixture well until soft and fully combined. Then shape into small meatballs and refrigerate. Peel and chop the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Add the potatoes to a pot of salted boiling water and cook for 15 minutes or until soft. Then drain and return to the pot with the remaining cream. You can adjust the amount to reach your desired consistency. Using a potato masher, mash until smooth and then season with salt and pepper. Meanwhile, heat a large non-stick pan over medium heat with a drizzle of vegetable oil. Once hot, add the meatballs and cook for 6 minutes or until browned. Once browned, transfer the meatballs to a plate. Mix another drizzle of oil and the flour into the pan juices. Then add the chicken stock cube and measured water. Whisk until smooth. Add the cream cheese, Worcestershire sauce and 1/3 of the cranberry sauce. Then return the meatballs to the pan and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, boil the green peas in a pot of salted water for 3 minutes until tender. Drain. Give the cucumber a good squeeze to remove any excess water before tossing them in the dill vinegar. Serve with the meatballs and gravy over the mash with the green peas, cucumber and remaining cranberry sauce on the side. And now for the tips. If you have fussy eaters at home, you can just not pickle the cucumbers. Cut them into sticks and serve them with the main course, just like that. And for you, if you don't enjoy the fumes of meatballs in your kitchen, you can also just stick your oven on, preheat it to 200 degrees and put your meatballs in the oven for 20 minutes until they're baked and cooked through. So I hope you agree with me that this was a very easy recipe to cook at home. It took us about 30 minutes to prepare and I can't wait to dig into it. If you like recipes like this and are always looking for good ideas for your family, then you'll find some of them here. But for now, I'll give it a try. Bon appétit!